Anyone can make this in just 3 simple steps. Go to firefly.adobe.com and write this prompt. So when you're writing a prompt, you can play with it. You don't need to restrict yourself to what I'm writing, but make sure these 3 keywords you copy: hyper-realistic, white background, and shadow, even studio lighting. What this is going to do is that we are going to get a style reference from this particular prompt. That is the style that we want our text to look like. So like if it's isolated, if it's on white background, it's just easy for the style reference to guide our composition in that direction. Now we are back to Adobe Illustrator. Here we're going to build the composition that we want to have the crochet looking effect. You can write your name, your pet's name, anything that you want. Coming back to the prompt writing, so if it's overwhelming for you on how to write a prompt or it's just difficult, there are 2 to 3 steps you can follow. First, you can have this basics course done from LinkedIn Learning that has basics on the prompt engineering, or there are many blog posts written on prompt writing. Third way, which is my favorite, is that go to the explore section of any of these AI platforms, be it Midjourney or Adobe Firefly, and study the prompts of other AI experts. Play around them. From there you'll be able to learn many keywords as well. Notice that these language models are trained on the keywords. So if your keyword vocabulary is good, you'll be able to execute your imagination better. Now once our composition is exported, we are going to go back to firefly.adobe.com and select the 4th one as the style reference because I like that one. And now once it's selected as style reference, go to the left side panel, upload your composition, change all the settings that I am doing over there. You can copy them or play around them as well. It's from the outcomes that you will be able to learn the direction that you want, or to take it towards the imagination that we are trying to get from this AI. The platform of Adobe Firefly is the most intuitive for any AI beginner because all these settings, you get to see them directly. You're not just dependent on the prompt. You get to change these settings directly as well from the panel that they have given on the left side. Even though we have given the composition to it, still I'm updating the prompt because I have seen that it gives a better output like that. Now we're going to get it generated. In just few seconds, the magic will be right in front of you. There we have. So let's see the outcomes. This one is fine. This is good. This one is perfect, exactly how I wanted it to be. We're going to upscale it and then we're going to download it. Now there's a bonus to this video. What we're going to do is that we're going to actually give this outcome to image to video platform. This is another AI platform. So what it does is that it is going to make a video out of it. I'm not going to write any prompt over there. So let's just let the AI decide the direction for it. There are good image to video platforms. This is the first one. You get first 3 days for free, and then there is other Luma AI. You can try that as well. So it just decided to make it float. Anyways, we made all these using Adobe Firefly. Now that you've learned something new, go try it out. Just look at those ducks. Isn't that funny?